In an enigmatic twist, a colossal singularity of darkness has enigmatically altered its orientation, now fixating its gaze upon our humble abode. This unparalleled occurrence has left scholars profoundly dumbfounded and beguiled. It's a phenomenon hitherto unseen in the vast expanse of the cosmos. Even the galaxy harboring this behemoth of a singularity has undergone a reclassification, prompted by the deflection in the trajectory of its nucleus's luminous emission. Astonishingly, this revelation might pave an avenue towards revolutionary revelations within the realm of black hole physics, particularly concerning the intricate dance of subatomic particles within realms of extreme energy. Yet, the query that presents itself is the following: how did the astronomers discern this perturbation in the singularity's alignment? What arcane processes engender the birth of these extraordinary, vehement jets? Ultimately, the crux of the matter remains: does this cosmic somersault pose a tangible threat to our planetary haven? Prior to plunging into this remarkable discovery, it proves imperative to apprehend the distinctions between three pivotal entities: an active galactic nucleus, AGN, a quasar, and a blazar. The AGN, an active galactic nucleus, embodies an exceedingly luminous compact zone nestled at the core of a celestial galaxy, emitting radiation spanning the entire electromagnetic spectrum. The intensity of the AGN's radiance stems from the gravitational accretion of material within a vortex of swirling gases and cosmic particulates that envelopes the singularity at the galaxy's epicenter. The galaxy housing this AGN is bestowed the epithet of an active galaxy, with the central luminary being aptly christened as the nucleus. A distinctive trait of these AGNs manifests as the presence of relativistic jets. When matter avoids a direct plunge into the maw of the singularity, certain particles undergo acceleration to supersonic velocities within a potent magnetic field, thereby yielding a streaming outflow of ionized matter that courses along the axis of the singularity's rotation. This phenomenon predominantly emits radio frequencies due to the occurrence of synchrotron radiation, shaping paired slender conduits of high-energy particles recognized as jets, capable of extending well beyond the boundaries of their cosmic abode. These potent jets engender dual lobe-like configurations on antithetical flanks, aligned perpendicular to the plane of the accretion disk. Should these dual jets course skyward in perfect alignment with our terrestrial vantage point, they are dubbed radio galaxies. In the instance where their trajectory inclines ever, a ray telescope unveil the galaxy and its attendant jets enshrouding an expanse of approximately 1.2 megaparsecs, a dominion equivocal to 4 million light-years, thus enshrining its stature as a colossus among radio galaxies. To unravel this enigma, astronomers embarked on an odyssey through the annals of AGN emissions, scrutinizing the behavior of these radiant signatures across the spectrum. Emanations transcribed upon the canvas of time coalesce into the form of light curves, elegantly narrating the flux's dance through the epochs. A duet of observation epochs, penned in the years 2018 and 2019, illuminated a triad of effulgent episodes within the AGN's core, a triumvirate of surges heralding potential radiative upheavals birthed by the rekindling of nuclear dynamics within the core's sanctum. Three cryptic auguries conspired to unveil the verity of the black hole's oscillating jets, beckoning forth a narrative untraveled. First, the enigma of the blazar's optical metamorphosis enkindled the flames of insight. The oscillations within the visible waveband, modulating flux and amplitude, mirror the tides of change within the blazar's essence. Stood in juxtaposition to peers within the realm of blazars and AGNs, the oscillatory cadence of PBC forged an alliance with the blazar cohort, unearthing the mysteries born of their overlap. A second riddle unfurled as the angle of the jet demanded elucidation, a realm where the investigator's gaze intersects with the plane of the observed's trajectory. Through meticulous dissection of PBC's spectral energy distribution, astronomers scribed an opus of models, each crafting a distinct portrait of jet angle to harmonize with empirical truth. Amid this pantheon, a 3-degree angle emerged as an ally to the empirical tapestry, thrusting the AGN into the blazar's embrace, as foretold afore. A third enigma materialized as scrutiny fell upon the lobes and the nucleus, the annals of radio frequencies transcribed into ethereal portraits. Behold, the radio vestiges divulge a cryptic tableau. The central expanse, a circlet resplendent, denotes the nucleus's domain, whilst flanking quarters, diametric and divergent, proclaim themselves as the lobes. Between lobes and nucleus, no interconnection surges, a silent testament to the nucleus's abstention from radiative arms. The waning luminescence of the lobes echoes their origin, a relic of erstwhile jets, while light curves and the 3-degree vector herald the dawn of a novel jet duo. The antiquated duo, hitherto bound by the plane of the firmament, accedes to the heraldry of a new orientation, a yawning panorama painted upon the firmament. Lo, the enigma coalesces, casting forth a query unwavering: what catalyzed the capricious ballet of the celestial jets? The answer lies shrouded, veiled behind the curtain of cosmic secrecy, yet manifold conjectures alight upon the celestial stage. A cotter of radio galaxies, christened the X-shaped or the winged, don a mantle of relevance. Within their countenance, twin pairs of jets grace the firmament, mirroring the visage of an X etched upon the sky's tableau. Thus, let the symphony of words resound, their cadence an embodiment of erudition. Amidst the discordant couplings of radio lobes, the farthest pairs correspond to the most ancient emissions of jets, while the lobes proximal to the core depict more youthful and vigorous jets. The galaxy denoted as PBC, devoid of an X-shaped configuration, potentially due to the newfangled jets being directed earthward. Previous investigations into X-shaped galaxies have posited the prospect of black hole mergers or the engulfment of a minor galaxy to account for the shifts in jet orientation. At 841 on the temporal spectrum, within a merger scenario, the smaller singularity is deposited proximate to its grander counterpart, ensuing in the amalgamation or absorption of the minor singularity's angular momentum by its superior counterpart. This mechanism brings about a realignment of the grander singularity's spin axis. Notwithstanding the persuasiveness of this hypothesis, a 2017 scrutiny of the PBC galaxy uncovered no substantiation of merger activities. Other plausible determinants for the reorientation of jet trajectory encompass the rekindling of nuclear activities, during which the jet axis undergoes precession, the retrogressive movement of gas along the animated lobes toward the core, and the distortive instability of the accretion disk. Elaborate examinations might offer insights into this uncommon occurrence of jet reorientation. Conclusively, does this configuration pose any peril to our existence, given that its jet is directed towards us? The rejoinder is negative. At a span equivalent to 41.5 trillion multiples of the distance between the Sun and Earth, the radiation emanating from these energetic jets will exert no influence on us. This emanates from the reality that as the radiation traverses this vast expanse to reach us, it shall dissipate all its energy due to redshift. Hence, there exists no cause for apprehension. With this, another chapter of the Sunday Discovery series culminates. Astronomers recently unearthed a prodigious black hole of such enormity that it is revolutionizing the realm of astronomy. It has been christened an ultramassive black hole. Should you have overlooked this installment, make certain to acquaint yourself with this riveting revelation.